In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship requires intentional effort and care. One effective way couples can nurture their bond and prioritize their well-being is through practicing self-care together. In this video, we'll talk about 7 ways couples can engage in self-care together, in order to enhance emotional connection, reduce stress, and promote overall happiness within their relationship. 1. Regular date nights. Regular date nights are essential for couples to nurture their relationship and prioritize quality time together. By scheduling dedicated evenings or afternoons to engage in enjoyable activities, such as dining out, watching a movie, or exploring new places, partners can strengthen their bond and create lasting memories. Date nights provide an opportunity to reconnect, communicate openly, and foster intimacy, ultimately contributing to a healthier and more fulfilling relationship dynamic. 2. Communication check-ins. Communication check-ins involve regular, open dialogues between partners to ensure mutual understanding and support. By actively listening to each other's needs, feelings, and concerns, couples can cultivate trust and strengthen their emotional connection. These check-ins provide a platform for resolving conflicts, addressing issues, and reinforcing mutual respect. By prioritizing effective communication, couples can navigate challenges more effectively and build a foundation of intimacy and understanding within their relationship. 3. Shared hobbies or activities. Shared hobbies or activities are opportunities for couples to bond over common interests and create shared experiences. Whether it's cooking together, hiking in nature, or pursuing a creative hobby, engaging in activities as a couple fosters teamwork, communication, and mutual enjoyment. These shared experiences strengthen the emotional connection between partners and provide opportunities for laughter, learning, and growth. By investing time in shared interests, couples can deepen their bond and create lasting memories together. 4. Physical affection. Physical affection is a vital aspect of couple self-care, fostering intimacy and connection. Whether through hugs, kisses, or holding hands, physical touch releases oxytocin, promoting feelings of trust and bonding. Regular displays of affection contribute to a sense of security and closeness within the relationship, reducing stress and promoting emotional well-being. By prioritizing physical intimacy, couples cultivate a deeper connection and strengthen the foundation of their partnership, enhancing overall relationship satisfaction. 5. Practice mindfulness together. Practicing mindfulness together involves engaging in activities like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga as a couple. By focusing on the present moment and cultivating awareness, partners can reduce stress, enhance emotional connection, and promote overall well-being. Shared mindfulness practices create a supportive environment where couples can deepen their bond, communicate more effectively, and navigate challenges with greater resilience. This intentional practice fosters a sense of unity and harmony within the relationship, promoting mutual growth and understanding. 6. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries in a relationship involves establishing mutually agreed upon guidelines for behavior, communication, and personal space. These boundaries help maintain a healthy balance between individual needs and the needs of the relationship. By respecting each other's boundaries, couples create a safe and supportive environment where both partners feel valued and understood. Clear boundaries also prevent misunderstandings and conflicts, fostering trust and intimacy within the relationship dynamic. 7. Express gratitude. Expressing gratitude within a relationship involves acknowledging and appreciating each other's contributions, actions, and qualities. Regular expressions of gratitude strengthen the emotional connection between partners and cultivate a positive atmosphere within the relationship. By focusing on the positives and expressing appreciation for each other, couples build a sense of mutual respect and support. Gratitude fosters a deeper understanding of each other's value, enhancing overall relationship satisfaction and harmony. Prioritizing self-care as a couple is essential for maintaining a strong and fulfilling relationship. By implementing the practices discussed, couples can nurture their bond, communicate effectively, and navigate challenges with resilience. Whether through regular date nights, open communication, or shared activities, investing in self-care together strengthens emotional connection and promotes overall well-being. By making self-care a priority, couples can cultivate a relationship that thrives on mutual support, understanding, and love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and relationships. And as always, thank you for watching.